Installation Guide. First, insert the handpiece cable into the machine. Make sure the red dots on the handpiece cable face up to the machine. On the other side, clockwise screw the nut to open the handpiece protection cover. Insert the handpiece vertically into the end of the handpiece cable. Turn gently, hear a click, and complete the handpiece installation. Second, the cable of the foot pedal should connect to the machine vertically. Third, plug the power adapter into the machine. Install the bottle support rod, insert it vertically into the hole in the machine surface, and hang up the bottle. Insert the tip of the disposable water pipe into the bottle. And connect it to the headside tube of the handpiece. Clockwise turn the peristaltic pump handle to the open position and stick the disposable water pipe in the middle of the track. Turn the peristaltic pump handle counterclockwise to the close position and ensure the peristaltic pump is fully closed. Install the pedal carrying rack and make sure it is hooked to the foot pedal. Switch on the machine to complete the installation.